Here are the 5 best toddler utensils, counting down to the one I'd actually buy. But most parents watch a spoon skid across the tray while lunch ends up in a lap. The fix isn't fancy flatware. It's starting age, cleanup, and how long the set stays useful. Match the handle to your child's current grasp, then decide whether travel storage, easier cleanup, or adult-style practice matters. Let's move. Number 5. Grabease Ergonomic Baby Utensils. This is the shortlist's earliest age option, built for families beginning utensil practice at 6 months. The short plastic fork and spoon are shaped for smaller hands and first self-feeding attempts. Their stubby, compact profile avoids the long handle feel of adult-style utensils. Choose this set if you want a focused starter shape rather than something designed to grow with skills. The trade-off is longevity. The short design may feel limiting once a child has stronger utensil skills. Plastic also makes it a different choice from stainless steel or mixed material options. Skip it for an older child who has moved beyond compact starter-style utensils. Number 4. Kirecoo Fork and Spoon Set. Need utensils that don't become loose clutter in the diaper bag? I'd choose Kirecoo for families eating away from home with children 12 months and up. Its carry case gives this set a real job between restaurant meals, grandparents' houses, and daycare pickup. The curved handles pair stainless steel with plastic, so the travel idea feels purposeful instead of overbuilt. But the spork format is the compromise, because some children and parents just prefer separate tools. That makes daily use less automatic than a plain fork and spoon setup. I wouldn't choose it for a home-only routine where the case stays unused in a drawer. Skip it if sporks frustrate your child or travel storage isn't part of your meal routine. It earns this spot for portability, not universal appeal. Number 3. Munchkin Raised Toddler Fork and Spoon Set. This is where I'd start if you want a budget-minded set that still feels more deliberate than basic plastic. It's for children 12 months and up, with stainless steel, plastic, and silicone in the fork and spoon pair. The raised handle keeps the stainless steel tip off the table, which is useful when meals spill beyond the plate. So you get a small daily convenience without adding a pile of pieces to manage. But cleanup is the trade-off here, and it isn't the pick for families chasing the simplest all-steel setup. I wouldn't buy it if you want every place setting to include a knife. Skip it if an all-stainless steel set is your priority or a fork and spoon alone feels incomplete. This is practical value, with a clear ceiling. Number 2. Doddl Cutlery Set. If your toddler is ready to copy a fuller place setting, this is the more complete option. I'd pick doddl for children 12 months and up when a fork, spoon, and child-oriented knife all matter at the table. Its mix of plastic, stainless steel, and silicone keeps the set focused on smaller hands rather than adult flatware. That included knife is the proof point, because it changes the routine from 2 tools to a broader practice set. But you're paying for that expanded role, and cleaning asks more patience than the easier options here. I wouldn't choose it when a simple fork and spoon routine already works. Skip it if keeping upfront cost down matters most or your child doesn't need the knife yet. It's a strong step forward, but not the automatic pick. Number 1. Exzact Kids Silverware Set. This is the one I'd buy when your child has moved beyond starter gear and you want fewer utensil replacements ahead. I'd pick Exzact for children 24 months and up, especially if easy cleaning and a longer transition toward adult flatware matter. The stainless steel construction gives it the durable, everyday feel that makes sense for preschool meals. So instead of buying another compact practice set, you're choosing utensils meant to stay useful as table skills grow. But its later starting age is the trade-off, because it skips the earliest self-feeding stage entirely. I wouldn't put it in front of a child under 24 months expecting a starter set experience. Skip it if you're beginning utensil practice early and need smaller, more compact tools. For preschoolers, this is the cleanest long-term answer. Start early with Grabease. Choose Kirecoo when the carry case will earn its space. Munchkin is the budget-minded raised handle option, while doddl adds the knife. But for a preschooler who needs a set that can bridge toward adult flatware, Exzact is the clear pick. Match the age to your child's current stage. Decide whether the case will actually leave the house and whether a knife belongs at your table. Pick steel for a longer transition or plastic for an early starter feel. Prices and availability change, so check before you buy. Pick Grabease for the earliest practice, Kirecoo for travel, Munchkin for a budget-minded raised handle, and doddl when a knife matters. But I'd buy Exzact for the longer preschool to flatware transition. Links are in the description.